hear me? But we stay out, we maintain them. When I see we picture up, you let us frame them. Party markets, money front pavement. Because I'm in the body of me. Me make a million and more than me on worship. You can't see me and that, you should have had a shot. But we make every day, I don't need no flights and
hot pepper 50, hot pepper 50.
Don't read that. Apologize. So my boss, big up yourself. Yeah, one Jamaica, peace and love every time.
That's all.
Wait, the cover oh man! I want to do. I'm here, boy. There's some number on the bar. I want to be a boy.
Oh man, back set. I put video man up there. You can't carry him. Where you turn on? Turn all night, man. Turn all night. Turn on, man. Yeah, talk. Turn on, man. Turn on, man.
Not now, go on, you do the market. One pound.
Brother? What kind of record they are going with? Damage music. What? A life for saying, a life over death, you know. Yeah, man. Damage music. Said on a sail on mankind. Said on a ring. Then salute to yummy. Feel up in the one get a youth on the back of feet. Say we know me real dogs him. And we know we're not going to sell them off for nothing then. We always rubbing them up to master. And we're real. Alright.
Hey, what is this? You really want to think the funny. You really do this to me in the market? Huh? Oh my God.
Sorry.
We can't work with a market business here. The hours too early. We need 3 o'clock lock in. Hey, Tris. Your mother gone.
And we tired of lockdown. We're broke with all the money and we tired of lockdown, Andrew. Free up God people them in the name of Jesus, like we are talking about. Right now, see some of them here, they now move. Wait, what? Free up Jamaica.
PMP, we want to come back in our power because we don't do nothing. Andrew, PMP, we want to come back in our power, Andrew. A general attack to you, we don't do nothing. We don't know good in this. Nothing at all, we don't do. On a wreck in the wrecky country. Wreck in the wrecky country. Mash up the country, we don't do nothing, Andrew. Don't do it. Sell no sell out, the Labour Party sell out the PMP. And we are doing good on the fight you out. I want to know the one thing. We don't sell out Jamaica, Labour Party sell out Jamaica, sell no sell we out. We don't know do nothing for we.
Big up my stall, me a big up. Big up my stall. Link me up all over, Nicola Brown, big up my stall.
All over market.
Anything we sell off there, we're grateful. Big up God.
Right now, right
Big
now.
up God. Me happy for
Yeah man, ease up off our poor people, Andrew. We are feeling. And you don't cater for poor people, you know. You don't cater for richer class now. Ease up off our way now, man. Yeah man, it's a beat with bad man.
Bad.
Where do you do that? Yeah, look, one time on daddy.
What's your TVJ? That's TVM.
Yeah, man. We then I market and do God lock it down, you know. So all we have to do take what we sell. Take what we sell. Don't let we take what we sell. Take what we sell. Country people ain't gone already. All our people there now. Take what we sell.
Yeah, man, I mean, yeah, man.
How are you?
Say look, man, 80 done them and go.
You will take some of my mask too.
What's going to Jamaica? Yeah, look, what to say. Look up all our people then. Got their money.
Them done.
Chicken on purpose. What's that, Joe?
I got it. Mark.
What's that,
Mark.
Joe?
Go upside the Philippines, this is man.
You want to say that again?
No.
Say it, man. You know, Fisher. Say it, man.
He said, go up, sir, go up, sir, go up, sir.
Wait, the country. Salt Anika.
Sir, what kind of video this is a one? No. Lockdown, me love it.
You want to record that?
Yeah. Me want to do that. We talk about lockdown, me want to do it. Me love the lockdown. And you only see lockdown in the country every weekend. And 2 times a week we are come. The lockdown nice. The people, I like the people that vote for Labour. The country we lockdown every weekend. We love it. We want more lockdown. And you only like what you're doing. I like it. Lockdown in the country more often.
Mali naman. Wala ba Don?
in that video? Yeah? Oh boy.
Kalale.
Yo, my dad.
Ready? Every day, you know.
Thank you.